We had a little issue with the camera. We're back online again. So continuing with the seasoning, we added the garlic and the salt. That's where we left off before. Now we're gonna take the Old Bay and we're gonna sprinkle some Old Bay on each fillet. This is an excellent recipe for like when you're in a hurry after work, you know, not much to it. You want to come real quickly, have some salmon, maybe with some nice toasted bread. Now we're going to use the lemon juice and we're going to dazzle all over this fillets one by one. Don't really have to soak it that much, but just get some on there. That's really going to make it taste great. Now you're going to take your salty butter and you're going to cut like 1/4-inch slices like this. But then you're going to cut these in half and try to put like 2 on each fillet, because it really makes it taste a lot better with the butter. Butter makes anything taste delicious. And you do that to every fillet. Very quick and easy, not that complicated to do. And it really gives this salmon a total different taste than what you would think. So almost done here with the butter. You want to preheat your oven to 370 before you put the fish in. Once you preheat your oven to 370, you can put the fish in for about, I would say maybe 20-25 minutes. And depending on how well your oven heats, yeah, I would keep an eye on it. But that's all to the recipe. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy this meal. Give it a shot. Bye-bye.